by and she's going to show us what she does with our Buffalo Chickpea Dip. To get started, we're going to head over to the stove.
We're going to take a tortilla and heat it up on this grill.
It's nice when it starts forming these little bubbles. It makes a really flaky shell.
It's time to flip it. Now that it's crispy on that side, we're ready to take it off the griddle. I've got my grilled warm tortilla and we've cut up some veggies, so all we have to do is put this together. My dip is cold because I just do this with leftovers. But you could easily warm it up if you wanted to. Fresh purple onion. I like to lay everything out so I get a bite of everything in every bite. Tomatoes. The recipe for our Buffalo Chickpea Dip that we use in this wrap will be in the description below, and there will be a link to the video of us making it as well. And a generous helping of leafy greens. Roll it up and you're ready to go. Now Mom's gonna make one.
Okay, I'm making one for in my lunch, so I'll be wrapping it up, and I didn't want to start with a warm shell. So just put some dip on there. What's great is that dip holds all the ingredients together. So I'm putting the tomatoes on in a nice row. So I get a little bit of tomato in every bite, and I'm putting some lettuce on it as well. This looks awesome, and you will be surprised how this holds up for in your lunch. You can just wrap it up however you would like, and I'm wrapping it a little bit tight, and it's ready to go for in my lunch. Okay, we're going to take a taste test for you. Yep, that happened. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's such a great lunch.
I really like it with the toasted wrap. Just another great option. We're all about options here. Thanks for stopping by to see this recipe update, and join us next week for a new recipe.